It is a positive step to realizing my dream to be a professional 10 years from now. It is also a reminder of what I can accomplish when I was able to overcome obstacles and deadlines. Graduation is just a beginning of a new chapter in my life. It gives boost to finish another race and unlock new opportunities. Graduation is a proof that I have talents given by God. I offer my graduation to my parents for myself. I offer my graduation as a gift to my parents so I can pay all their hard works for me to send me and graduate in a unique school with unique system. And last, I offer it for myself, for me to be always reminded what I can do and I'm capable of.
As the moon